Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change the frames per second on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display and brightness and go down to screen refresh rate. You have three options here: dynamic, balance, smooth display, and battery life with a max refresh rate of 120. High refresh rate up to 120 for highly smooth visuals, uses more power though. And you have the standard one: save power by limiting the refresh rate to 60. So right now it's set to like kind of an automatic one where the phone decides, well, for itself what it needs. And we will set it to high now and go back and then go back again and just scroll. And then we'll go back, set it to standard, go back. Honestly, it's such a little difference. I don't even think you will notice it in like your daily life. So obviously it's totally up to you, whatever you like to choose. If you want like a high one, that's probably really nice for like games and stuff. Or if you set it to the standard one, that will save you some battery. You can also set it to the dynamic one, or like it's called different on every device, I think, depending on the manufacturer. But then the phone just will decide for itself. You're probably on the safer side. So if you choose one, you can just go back and then it's set to whatever you set there. So that is how you can customize the frames per second on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.